Hello creative buddies, welcome back to Flying with Art. In today's video we are going to make this classic and elegant looking place planter which are made by recycling plastic paint container and homemade ceramic clay. These planters are so much in trend nowadays, so I thought to make one. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. If you are new to the channel, it's so great to have you here, so subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell and select all so that you never miss any of my latest videos. And after applying metallic gold using sponge, it's ready to plant a beauty. So let's have a final look. I hope you all love this super easy and chic planter, which definitely add elegant touch to your space. If you love this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share your valuable feedbacks. Subscribe to Flying with Art and hit the notification bell and select all so that you never miss any of my latest videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.